Well guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is gonna be my, I guess kind of my 100 subscriber video. Even though it's so outdated, it's not even really a 100 subscriber video anymore. But nevertheless, it is a somewhat special vacuum because video because I have all my grandma's vacuums lined up and I'm gonna be using them today. I'll talk about them, where she uses them in the house, and today I've been cleaning them, doing pretty much everything we can do to clean them. I scrubbed the filters on all 4 of them. On the 3 canister vacuums, I scrubbed the canisters, put a new bag in the Bissell, and I scrubbed the back of the little bag door. So these things are clean, and I mean they were filthy. Filters were disgusting. Canisters were filled with dirt, and I wiped them all, like just the normal part, because they were all dirty, especially under where the brush roll is. That was disgusting. But yeah, so I'll talk about them a little bit. This is a Shark Navigator. It's from 2009, and my grandma, she uses it mainly in like the main floor of the house. This is her main vacuum. She loves it. She's had it for 12 years, and never once has it let us down. So that's good. This is another Shark. This is from 2016, I believe. She uses this one in like the upstairs part of the house, the second floor, like the main second floor, because there's actually 2 second floors. And then the Bissell is a vacuum. This one she probably uses maybe the least amount. I don't know. But she uses this one up over the garage. There's another like little bonus room up there. The second upstairs. So there's a main upstairs that one gets used, and then there's like a bonus room where this one gets used. And then the Hoover T series usually sits out on the porch, and my grandma uses it in the porch and in the detached laundry room. It's actually detached off of the garage. It's not really a part of the house, really. There's a lot of dirt in there, so that's where she uses this one. This one usually is too dirty, and she doesn't really want me using it in the house, but since I just cleaned them today, she said it would be fine to use them because it hasn't gotten dirty yet. So I'm going to do the Shark first and go down the line, have them all plugged in. Hopefully I don't trip a fuse. Probably won't, because I'm not running these all at the same time. But anyway, I'm going to start with the Shark. And put the camera down so you can hopefully see it good. Okay, that should be good. We're gonna go ahead and use, this is the original Shark Navigator. I'm gonna go ahead and use. So here we go. All right, here goes. This thing has amazing suction. It's so strong it kind of sticks to the ground. Kind of hard to push because how hard it sticks to the ground. That's how good suction this thing has. So yeah, really nice vacuum. So far the claim about it never losing suction has held up to be true. And obviously it picked up a lot of dirt. This room is pretty dirty. We're gonna do the rotator next. Shark rotator. Should be able to see that well, I hope. But anyway, here we go. This is another shark. It's a lot newer than this one is. It works almost as well. I don't think this one works as well as this shark does. But here we go. The nice thing about this one is that this one swivels and the purple shark doesn't. Navigator. Picking up some dirt. Obviously. Alright, that should be good. There's actually a little green light that pops up when you have the brush roll on. Whenever the brush roll is either clogged or you've sucked up something that caused the brush roll to malfunction, the light will turn from green to red on both of the sharks. Doesn't have those on the Bissell or Hoover, but yeah, we'll do the Bissell now. Let's hope that it can be seen good enough. All right, let's do it. So on the shark and the other shark, both the sharks, you can turn the brush roller off. Like say if you're gonna go on wood floor or stuff. You can actually also do that on the Hoover, I forgot. But this one you can't. This one is just, it's a real cheap, kind of basic vacuum. However, this one is held up really good. It's definitely a great vacuum. But anyway, let's go ahead and use it now. This one's probably the loudest. Actually, I think it is the loudest. I don't know. I haven't heard the Hoover yet in a long time. I haven't ran that in a long time. Okay, so now we're gonna do the Hoover. Let's go ahead and angle it up so we can see it good. Okay, here we go. Hopefully my camera doesn't fall over. So this one is all, you can also turn the brush roll off on this one. On these, they're just kind of all on one switch. This one has this pedal thing at the bottom. Oops. Oh, crap. It's kind of broken, but it still does the brush roll. All right, here we go. that's my, I guess you could call it a 100 sub video. It's just a special vacuum video. So yeah, that's all my grandma's vacuums. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.